complete information regarding all average 16 triple IT college I have discussed. So here is the first one, it is triple IT Ranchi, general 33, triple IT Dharwad, general 36, 40. So hi friend, this is Amit. Here I am going to provide you complete information regarding triple IT cutoff for JOSA counseling 2024 up to the last round. What you can expect, it is rank versus average 16 triple IT college. For top 10 I have already provided. So here I am going to provide you for average 16. If your rank is not good, category wise information I will provide you, and for CSAB I will provide you separate video, because you also know in CSAB you can get it higher rank also. That is easy to get, but that depends on the seat availability after JOSA counseling. So hope you get my point. So here is the first one, it is triple IT Ranchi, general 33 and 43,000 for CSE and EC, for EWS 6 and 8,000, for OBC 13 and 17, SC 9 and 11,000, ST 5 and 6,000. There is no home state, other state quota in triple IT college. I hope you also know. Now if you talk about for triple IT Andhra Pradesh, here is the information. General 34, 39,000, it is for CSE and AI branch. EWS 7 and 8,000, OBC 15 and 16, SC 6 and 8, ST 3 and 4,000. There is 3 5-year courses also available in this college, that also you can get at higher rank. If you comment down, I can provide you the cutoff regarding that. These all are the expected cutoff for this year according to the current year trend, and also I have analyzed from last 4-5 years, as I am doing the guidance from last 6 years. So based on that, I am providing you the expected cutoff for this year for JOSA counseling 2024. Here is the information for EWS 7 and 8,000, OBC 15 and 16,000, SC 6 and 8, ST 3 and 4,000. For triple IT Kottayam, general 33 and 41,000, that is for male. After slash, wherever you will find after slash some data, that is for female student of the same category. So for general 35 and 43,000, that is for female. EWS 7 and 8,000 for male, CSEC for female you can check after slash. For OBC 14 and 15,000, SC 11 and 11,000 again, and for ST 5 and 6,000. Now if you talk about triple IT Bhagalpur, is the information. General 40 and 45, EWS 8 and 9, OBC 16 and 18, SC 11 and 12, ST 5 and 6,000. And general 37,000, it is for triple IT Agartala. Here I would like to inform you about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship program for JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, all counseling across India. Whatever you are doing, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. In the next section you will able to check the detail how I will guide you for the counseling process. So after that you can contact me through app and website, that is available in description box. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details. So here is the information for EWS 7 and 8,000, OBC 15 and 19, that is for female after slash, SC 9 and 11, ST 5 and 6. Triple IT VICD, general 37, 39,000, EWS 6 and 7, OBC 15 and 17, all are category rank. SC 9 and 11, ST 5 and 5.2 thousand. Similarly, I provided for top 10 also. You can check that video in the I button as well in the description box, and also I provided for NIT college as well. Now if you talk about for triple IT Dharwad, general 36, 42,000, for CSE EC, EWS 7, 8,000, OBC 16 and 18,000, SC 9 and 11, ST 6 and 6,000 again. Next, if you talk about triple IT Manipur, general 48 and 55,000, EWS 8 and 11, OBC 18 and 20,000, SC 12 and 14,000, ST 6 and 7,000. That is for CSE and EC male student. After slash you can check for female. Now if you talk about for triple IT Kalyani, general 39 and 43,000, there is a correction. For general CSE it is 39,000. For EWS 6.6 and 7.8 thousand, OBC 16 and 18, SC 8 and 9, ST 5 and 6,000. For triple IT Bhopal, there is 3 branch, CS, EC, IT, general 26, 37, 30,000, EWS 5, 7, 6,000, OBC 12, 16 and 13,000, SC 7, 8, 11 and 9,000, and for ST 4, 6 and 5,000. Now if you talk about for triple IT UNA, that is in Himachal Pradesh, so general 28, 39, 32,000, EWS 5, 7, 6 and OBC 11, 12, 14 and thereafter for SC 6, 10 and 8, ST 4, 6 and 5. In some of the cases you may check the cutoff like how it is possible here in case of IT, but due to the demand and choice filling, it all depends on choice filling. If more a student is filling for a college, the cutoff will go down because demand is more. So similarly, if the choices is less, demand is less, the cutoff will go up to very high rank. So for triple IT, Sri CT General 29, 41, EWS 6 and 8, OBC 13 and 18, SC 9 and 11, ST 4 and 5000. Quota, if you talk about that is triple IT quota Rajasthan, here is the information. General 24, 33,000, EWS 5 and 6, OBC 11 and 14, SC 6 and 10, ST 4 and 5. Now if you talk about for triple IT Nagpur 29, 41,000 for general, EWS 6 and 7, OBC 13 and 17, SC 8 and 11, ST 4 and 6,000. For triple IT Raichur Karnataka, general 35, 37, OBC 15 and 16, EWS 6 and 7, SC 9 and 10, ST 4 and 5000. This was the complete information regarding all average 16 triple IT college I have discussed. Hope you get this information very useful for you. Please try to subscribe the channel, and if you want the same information in Hindi language, please try to subscribe my Hindi channel, that is Admission Academy. Thank you.